Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best kitchen knife sets on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Amazon Basics 14-piece high-carbon stainless steel kitchen. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Amazon Basics 14-piece high-carbon stainless steel kitchen knife set is a comprehensive collection designed to meet all your kitchen cutting needs. This set includes a variety of knives, such as a chef's knife, bread knife, utility knife, and steak knives, all crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for precision and durability. The knives are ergonomically designed with comfortable handles, ensuring a secure grip during use. The set comes with a space-saving wood block for safe storage, keeping your knives organized and within reach. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this knife set offers excellent performance at an affordable price, making it a great addition to any kitchen. In addition to its variety of knives, the Amazon Basics 14-piece set is built to last. The high-carbon stainless steel construction ensures sharp edges that resist rust and staining, providing long-term reliability. Each knife in the set is carefully designed to tackle different kitchen tasks with ease, from chopping vegetables to slicing meat. The lightweight yet sturdy feel of the knives makes them easy to handle, offering a balance of comfort and control. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or a gourmet dish, this set delivers versatility and quality without breaking the bank. Number 2 is McCook Knife Sets. The McCook 15-piece knife set offers a professional-grade solution for all your kitchen cutting needs. Made from high-quality German stainless steel, each knife is designed for sharpness, durability, and precision. The set includes a variety of knives, such as a chef's knife, bread knife, utility knife, and steak knives, allowing you to tackle everything from slicing bread to dicing vegetables. The ergonomically designed handles provide comfort and control, making them easy to use for both experienced cooks and beginners. In addition to the knives, the set also includes a knife sharpener, ensuring your knives stay sharp and effective over time. The elegant wooden block provides safe storage while keeping your kitchen organized. With its combination of quality, functionality, and style, the McCook 15-piece knife set is a reliable and affordable choice for those looking to upgrade their kitchen tools. The McCook 15-piece knife set is not only built for performance but also for long-lasting use. The high-carbon German stainless steel is resistant to rust, stains, and corrosion, ensuring that your knives remain in excellent condition even after frequent use. Each blade is carefully crafted to retain its sharp edge, making food preparation faster and more efficient. Whether you're chopping, slicing, or mincing, these knives offer a smooth and precise cutting experience. This set combines practicality with sleek design, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. And to finish, the first position goes to the Astercook 15-piece knife set with sharpener block. The Astercook 15-piece knife set with sharpener block is a versatile and durable choice for any kitchen. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the knives are designed for sharpness and long-lasting performance. The set includes a variety of blades, such as a chef's knife, paring knife, serrated knife, and steak knives, providing all the essential tools for food preparation. The ergonomic handles offer a comfortable and secure grip, making these knives easy to use for any cooking task. This knife set also comes with a built-in sharpener block, allowing you to maintain the sharpness of your knives with ease. The set's sleek design and sturdy construction ensure both style and practicality, while the block provides safe and organized storage. The Astercook 15-piece knife set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup convenient and hassle-free, making it a reliable and efficient addition to your kitchen tools. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 kitchen knife sets that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.